Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, July 23, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a long day ahead.
Same here. I've got a pile of work waiting for me.
Oh, the usual office grind? Hey, did you catch any news this morning?
Yeah, I did. I saw something about trade talks in Europe.
Right. I read about that on the Wall Street Journal site. The UK is trying to get closer to Europe with trade rules.
That's a big move. It could change a lot for companies.
For sure. If they make new deals, it might mess with product prices.
True. We might need to rethink some project budgets if costs go up.
Oh, just what I need, more headaches for sales. Clients already complain about prices.
I get it. It's something we'll have to watch closely in the coming weeks.
Yeah, let's hope they sort it out fast. I don't want to explain price hikes to angry customers.
Good luck with that. It's always tricky to handle those talks.
Totally. Hey, speaking of tricky stuff, did you hear about that new tech app for work?
Oh, which one? I saw a story on the New York Times about something like that.
Yeah, that's the one. It's an app for organizing tasks and keeping track of everything.
That sounds useful. My team is always juggling a million things at once.
I know, right? I'm terrible at remembering deadlines, so this could save me.
I feel you. A good app can make life so much easier in the office.
For sure. I just hope it's not too hard to figure out, you know?
Yeah, some tech stuff is so complicated. I'll look into it later today.
Good plan. If it works, maybe we can get the whole team to use it.
That would be great. It could help us stay on top of projects.
Exactly. Less stress for everyone, I hope.
Fingers crossed. We need all the help we can get with deadlines.
No kidding. Oh, and did you see that cool story about a celebrity event?
Yeah, I read about it on USA Today. A big star is doing a charity thing for schools.
That's awesome. They're raising money to make schools better for kids.
It's really nice to see. Education matters so much for the future.
Totally. Kids need good places to learn, or they won't get far.
Exactly. It reminds me of my old school, you know, the good and bad times.
Yeah, I remember my school days. I was always in trouble, but I made it.
Same here. It's great that someone famous is helping out now.
For sure. We need more news like this, something to smile about.
Agreed. It's a nice change from all the usual bad stuff in the news.
Yeah, it lifts the mood. Makes this coffee taste even better.
True. So how's your day shaping up after this break?
Oh, it's packed. I've got calls with clients all afternoon.
That sounds intense. I've got reports to finish and a meeting to prep for.
Ouch. Meetings are the worst. Good luck staying awake in there.
Thanks, I'll need it. Don't work too hard on those calls, okay?
I'll try not to. You know me, always chatting too much.
That's true. It's why you're good at sales, though.
Hey, thanks for the compliment. I'll take it.
You're welcome. Hey, did you finish that big sales report yet?
Not yet, still working on it. It's taking forever.
I know the feeling. Reports always take longer than you think.
Yeah, it's like they grow bigger every time I look at them. How about your projects?
They're moving along but slow. Too many details to check.
Details are the worst. I just want to get stuff done quick.
I wish it was that easy, but slow and steady wins, right?
I guess so. Hey, going back to that trade news, do you think it'll hit us soon?
Hard to say. Maybe in a few months we'll feel the change.
Yeah. I just hope it doesn't mess up my sales targets. That's all I care about.
Fair enough. I'll keep an eye on it for project planning too.
Good idea. And hey, if that app is any good, let me know, okay?
Will do. I'll test it out and tell you if it's worth it.
Thanks. I appreciate that. I'm so bad with tech stuff sometimes.
No problem. We all need a little help with new tools.
For sure. Oh, and that celebrity thing, it's cool they're helping kids.
Yeah, it's inspiring. Maybe it'll get more people to care about schools.
I hope so. Every kid deserves a fair shot, you know?
Absolutely. It's one of those things that really matters long term.
Yeah, makes you think. Anyway, I should probably get back to my desk soon.
Same here. I've got a ton of emails to answer before lunch.
Email's the never-ending story. Good luck with that.
Thanks. Good luck with your calls too, David.
Thanks, I'll need it. Hey, let's catch up again tomorrow, yeah?
Sounds good. I'll see you here at the coffee machine.
Perfect. It's a deal. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. Take it easy.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.